Welcome to Leazi. In this video, we'll show you how to add your very first property step by step. First, log in using your credentials to access the dashboard. After logging in, from your dashboard, click on the Properties tab, then select New Property, or you can click on Quick Actions icon, where you can see many options depending on what you want to create. Here you click on New Property, as we're going to add a new property. This is where you'll fill in the required details. This includes property name, property category, property type, property structure, single unit or multi-unit, then click Next. Here you are going to enter the property location by searching for the address. Fill in country, province, district, zip code, and street address, then select the currency for rent and financial transactions. Click on Create Property when all information is complete. Your property will appear on your dashboard, ready for tenant creation, lease management, and invoicing. Following these steps allows landlords and property managers to quickly set up properties in Leazi and efficiently manage tenants, leases, and rent. Here you can use Settings tab to make some changes on your property. You can edit here the address of the property and save it. You can also change the property logo or profile here. In here, you can add your contacts, also phone number, email, and even your website. Going down here, you can manage your units when you have added ones and convert them from single to multi-units or vice versa. In this danger zone, you can change your property name by clicking on Rename Property and put the new name and then save. You can archive or delete your property by clicking on Archive this property. Here you can delete the property by typing the name of the property to confirm. On the second part here, you can archive the property by clicking on Archive. In this tab, you can manage the general information of property easily. In our next video, linked on the top, we are going to show you how to set up units management, including blocks and floors. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Leazi tutorials.